Inside this box is one of the rarest pairs of Kobe's out there. What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler, and today I'm unboxing a pair of sneakers which I've actually owned for like 6 months at this point, and I just haven't made a video on yet. And the reason for that is because I keep pushing it back and pushing it back and pushing it back, and I just never get around to it. But now I'm finally doing it, and I'm really excited about it, and I don't know why it took me so long, because this is genuinely one of the most exciting pairs of sneakers in my collection. So I grabbed this shoe at Philadelphia SneakerCon. I actually bought it from somebody. I don't know if I'm supposed to say who they are or who they aren't, because that has a bearing on what this sneaker is and how they got this sneaker. So I'll just leave them at an unnamed WNBA player. Let's go with that. And I bought this pair of shoes from them. And it's a pair of shoes that I never owned in my collection, but this is a very special version of that pair of shoes. And I just want to check it out and show you guys. I actually really haven't broken this shoe out of the box too much since I got it. I've just kind of had it sitting there waiting for me to do something with it, and I just haven't done it yet. It's also not exactly my size, so I'm not sure 100% what I'm going to do with it yet. I think I could probably wear it, and I might end up doing that, but I'm still not 100% sure. Also, I should say that this box didn't come in this cardboard box. I just had this for dramatic effect, so you guys couldn't see what pair of sneakers it was. So with all that being said, let's get into it. So inside the box, we've got a very special Kobe box. Now obviously this is a newer pair of Kobe's. It says Mambacita Sweet 16, and this is actually a pair of Kobe 6s that released on Gigi Bryant's birthday, May 1st, 2022. Now you guys might already know what pair of sneakers this is just because you know the release date of the shoe. However, this version of the shoe is actually a special version. I don't know if it's just special packaging or if it's a friends and family pair. That was never 100% confirmed to me which one it is, but it's a special version of this release. But before we actually get into the sneakers themselves, let's actually take a look at this special box that comes with this special pair of sneakers. Obviously, it's got this cover on top of the, I guess it might be the regular box, honestly. You've got this white cover that kind of attaches magnetically. It says Mambacita Sweet 16 on the top with Gigi Bryant's number right there. This cardboard comes in like a matte white finish with these glossy scales on it, which I think looks pretty cool. On the back of the box, you've got Gigi Bryant's birthday, 5/1/2006. And then on the front of the box, you've got Kobe's logo right there. So I've wanted this pair of sneakers in my collection for a long time, not just because it's a good looking pair of sneakers, but also because it honors Gigi Bryant and Kobe Bryant. So an interesting detail about this packaging is that the Kobe logo is actually a magnetic clasp that connects to this outer, I guess, cover of the box. And then inside, you've got this really nice gold finish. And you've also got what I believe is the retail box of this pair of Kobe's. It comes in black with the Kobe logo on the top. Before we dive into this box, let's actually take a look at the note that came on the inside of the packaging. So on the front of the card, it says, "Happy birthday, Gigi, Mambacita Sweet 16. And then on the back of the card, you've actually got a note from Vanessa Bryant. "Thank you for celebrating Gigi's 16th birthday with me. This year is very special. Sweet 16 marks a coming of age. Gigi was always wise beyond her years, spreading joy and kindness to everyone around her and showing that basketball was more than a sport. It was friendship. It was family. The Mambacita Sweet 16 is inspired by her resilient spirit and love she had, not only for the game, but for her family, friends, and community. Gigi continues to touch so many people around the world. Part of her legacy is about building a better future for all girls and women in sport, one step at a time, playing Gigi's way." The snakeskin pattern on the shoe represents Gigi's Mambacita mentality. It reminds us to all focus on the process and to always trust in the work that we do. The custom shoelaces inspire us to walk in Gigi's footsteps, to lace up and show up every time, and to not take opportunities for granted. The red bracelet is symbolic of the red bow Gianna loved to wear in her school pictures and the love she had for everyone she met. I encourage you to wear it with pride and to live life with love always in your heart. With these shoes, we hope to encourage everyone to embody my daughter's Mambacita mentality, to seize every moment, love deeply every day, and to find your own joy. Profits from the shoe will benefit the Mamba and Mambacita Sports Foundation, so thank you very much for your support. Please join us in celebrating Gigi's birthday on May 1st by showing the world how you #play Gigi's way on your social media platforms, leading each day with kindness and strength, as Gianna always did. With love, Vanessa Bryant." So opening up the box, the first thing you'll see is this gold paper with Gigi's number and the angel wings. And then inside that, you've got the Kobe 6 Protro Mambacitas. A really, really beautiful shoe. I love the way the sneaker looks. Obviously, this black and white colorway is not only very clean and it looks great on the silhouette, but it's also a very special colorway and pays homage to both Kobe and Gigi. So like the note said, you get a red wristband inside the box. It says #play Gigi's way. It says Mambacita 5106. And then it also says Gigi Bryant with the heart. It's a really, really nice addition to the packaging. Like I said, I never had the original version of the shoe, but I believe this is special for this version of the Kobe 6 Mambacitas. And then of course, you've also got these two special laces right here. You've got a black custom lace and a red custom lace. And the laces say 5/1/2006 with the Mambacita logo. It's actually the same design on both laces, but one comes in black, one comes in red. And then getting to the shoes themselves, like I said, they're an incredibly clean colorway. You've got Gigi's number on the heel of both sneakers, number 2 in bright gold, which I really love. You've got the Mambasita logo right there on the heel, and on the left shoe, you've got Kobe, and then on the right shoe, you've got Gigi, both written in gold. And then on the insole of the shoe, you've got another detail, which I love, which is the black insole with the Mambasita logo printed on it in white. It's a really, really nice touch. And then, like I said, this colorway is incredibly clean. Obviously, the upper of the shoe comes in black with the glossy scales, which I love. You've got the white Nike swoosh and the white accent around the heel of the shoe in this white leather. The Kobe 6 was always my favorite silhouette, so I really love that they did this on the Kobe 6. Obviously, later on, I think, 6 months ago, 4 months ago, they released the Kobe 4. Also in white and black, and to commemorate Gigi and Kobe Bryant. And I'm really happy that they're doing this. I'm really happy that they've created these releases to help remember Kobe and Gigi. And I really love the design of these shoes. They're very clean, both this version and the Kobe 4 version. And from what I can tell, even though this shoe is, I think, the same as the standard retail release, it is really nice to have the special box version of the shoe because it comes with that note. You learn a little bit more about the sneaker and what different details on the shoe mean, which I really, really like a lot. Now, I'm not sure exactly if this box is a friends and family release or if it's just a promo release or a special box or what the deal is. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section down below. But from what I can tell, it seems to have been very, very limited in its release. I think it might have been only sent out directly from Nike or from Vanessa Bryant. I'm not 100% sure. Either way, I haven't found any pairs of them online that are available, at least in this size. I did find like a size 14 on GOAT or something like that. I don't remember exactly where I found it, but I did some research last night just to try and see what the exact name of this packaging was. But either way, I'm really happy to have this shoe. Like I said, it's size 10, but I think I could probably rock these, and I think I will try to rock these because I've wanted this shoe for a long time, like I said, and I've been sitting on them for like 6 months since SneakerCon Philadelphia. I just never ended up making a video on them. I didn't want to wear them and unbox them until I made a video on them. So here we are. We did it. Really late. It's been over a year since these shoes released. But I gotta say that I'm really happy that Vanessa and Nike reached a deal to release more Nike Kobes. Even though these releases I feel like were done in much too limited a way. I feel like they should have been much more widely available. I am happy that they're gonna release more Kobe sneakers because those are some of the most iconic and honestly some of the best basketball sneakers out there. And I'd love to have more pairs. I'd love to be able to walk into a store and buy Kobe's again. And again, I never did a review on the shoe last year because I didn't have it when it released. It was probably about 5 months after it released that I got it. Really, really great pair of Kobe's. Probably one of the best Kobe 6s ever released. Let me know your thoughts on that in the comment section down below. I'm really happy that I'm now able to rock this shoe and think about Kobe and Gigi whenever I rock it. Rest in peace to both Kobe and Gigi. Kobe was one of the greatest basketball players of all time, and Gigi was following in his footsteps. So I'm just stoked to have these.